says meow? Is it the goat leaping to and fro? Nope, nope, nope. The goat goes ma, ma. Now we know. Who says meow? Is it the duck in the water so clear? No, no, no. The duck goes quack, quack. Let's listen and hear. Who says meow? Is it the cow with a gentle moo? No, no, no. The cow goes moo, moo. That's what they do. Who says meow? Is it the pig having a merry spree? No, no, no. The pig goes oink, oink. Can't you see? Who says meow? Is it the sheep with wool so soft and fair? No, no, no. The sheep goes baa, baa. Let's stay aware. Who says meow? Is it the horse running with grace and might? No way, no way, no way. The horse goes neigh, neigh. That's right. Who says meow? Is it the rooster greeting the day so bright? Nope, nope, nope. The rooster goes cock-a-doodle-doo with all its might. Who says meow? Is it the donkey making a joyful sound? No way, no way, no way. The donkey goes hee haw all around. Who says meow? Is it the chicken scratching to and fro? No, no, no. The chicken goes cluck, cluck. Let's go. Who says meow? Is it the goose with feathers so sleek? Nope, nope, nope. The goose goes honk, honk. Take a peek. Who says meow? Is it the dog waiting for fun to ensue? No, no, no. The dog goes woof, woof. That's what they do. Who says meow? Is it the cat with its fur so sleek and fine? Yes, yes, yes. The cat goes meow, meow. Let's end this rhyme. The mystery's solved, the truth we've found. The cat's sweet meows make the perfect sound. With our journey complete, it's time to bow. For now we know who says meow, 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 meow.